Hello everyone. I'm going to take you on a quick tour of Saskatchewan Public Library's app called SILS. So you can order books online and then pick them up in your library. So to do that, you need to download the app. So you'll go into your app store and you'll type in SILS, S-I-L-S, and it'll pop right up and you'll download that to your phone. And once it's downloaded, you can hit open and it'll take you into the app. So to log in, you're going to need your library card number as well as your 4-digit PIN. So the default is set to the last 4 digits of your phone number. But if that doesn't work for you, you can contact your library and have that figured out. So you can search by author, title, the ISBN number, or just as a general keyword. So say I'm going to look for autumn books. I'll type in autumn and then I'll hit search. So it'll bring up a whole host of books. Now, say you scroll through and you don't see the book that you're looking for. Then you can go up to refine, and instead you could search under this first one, under keyword where it says that. You could search by author or subject or a different parameter. So you could choose that. You can also search by format. So perhaps you want to just order music CDs, or you want to order DVDs or large print books. So you can pick what it is you're looking for, and then it'll filter just for that. You can also search by language. So you can go through and say you're doing French immersion, you want to check off French, or you're learning Cree, or whichever language you want. You can choose that, and then it'll filter your results based on that language. You can also search by location. So if you wanted to go into your local branch and pick a book up off the shelf, then you could go and search what's available at your local branch. Okay, so once you have that all figured out and how you want to filter them, you would hit search. So you have your list of books that come up. So say I'm going to scroll down and this book of Hello Fall looks great. So I'm going to place my hold for that. Then I'll hit place hold. Now you're going to want to check your region and your branch. So you can, if that's set to where you're at, you're perfect. If not, just click on the drop-down menu. So for me, I'll hit Southeast Regional Library. I'll check my branch. That's Lumsden. And once you have that set once, it'll be your default. So you don't have to do that every time. Then I'm going to hit place hold. So it says your request has been placed. So now that book will be ordered to my library, to my local branch that I chose to pick up, and then I get a notification via email once it has arrived so that I can go and pick it up. So now that I have that, I can go back to my search results, and maybe I want to get a few more fall books. So say this fall leave one, I look at the summary, it looks perfect, so I hit place hold on that one, and it goes into there. And then maybe now I want to search for a whole new topic. So I come right back to our search screen and I can start again. So that's how you can request all sorts of resources from your library, and you can pick it up at whichever location you want, your home branch or somewhere else if you happen to be, say, going for errands at another local library. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope you enjoy all of the wonderful materials that the Southeast Regional Library has to offer. Have a great night.